For a century, we were sold a simple equation. Technology makes us more productive, and productivity makes us richer. From 1948 to 1973, it was true. Productivity and wages grew together. We built the world, and the world paid us back. Between 1979 and 2019, productivity soared by 70%, but hourly compensation for typical workers grew just 12%. The engine kept running, but you were disconnected from the wheels.
Then the machine changed.
And now artificial intelligence introduces a new reality. Not mass layoffs, not sudden destruction. It is much quieter. Companies aren't firing everyone. They simply stop hiring. They just stop posting junior positions.
When someone leaves, the door simply locks behind them, because AI creates at zero marginal cost. Being more productive with AI is like being the fastest swimmer in a draining pool. You work faster, but you earn less, because the price of everything you make is racing towards zero.
The ultimate promise of the modern world was education. But today, the equation has inverted.
The economic engine didn't break. It was perfected. It just no longer requires you.
For most of human history, output was strictly tied to physical labor. In 70,000 BCE, our economic amplification index was flat at 1.0. You worked, you survived. Human potential was bound by biology. Every technological wave that followed, the mastery of fire, the agricultural revolution, the steam engines of the industrial era multiplied our productivity, and for a long time, the machine worked for us. From 1948 to 1979, productivity grew by 108%, and worker compensation followed closely at 93%. We climbed together. We always needed human minds and hands to run the new scale.
But then came the Great Decoupling.
Between 1979 and 2019, productivity soared by 70%, while wages barely crawled up 12%.
A structural shift, accelerated by what economists call the tendency toward zero marginal cost. In 1930, Keynes predicted technological unemployment. Yet, AI introduces a discontinuity no model anticipated.
Historically, zero marginal cost applied only to reproducing content. AI attacks the fixed cost of creation itself. The future is now. There is no turning back.
It creates a productivity trap. When everyone adopts the same AI tool, the cost savings become the new baseline. Markets don't reward you for being efficient. They punish everyone equally by driving prices down to the cheapest producer's level.
Being more productive with AI is like being the fastest swimmer in a pool that's draining. You work harder, you produce more, and you earn less.
Because the price of everything you make is racing towards zero. The economic architecture is irreversible. The value doesn't disappear, but it no longer goes to the worker.
It transfers entirely to consumers and platform owners. The rules of human application have been permanently rewritten.